Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Solana from Exmo to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding Solana on Exmo and want to move it to Uphold for better management or trading, this guide is perfect for you. It's a straightforward process, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Uphold. You'll need your Solana balance in Exmo and the exact Uphold wallet address ready. Start by logging into your Exmo account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section and find the Withdrawal option. It's usually under a tab like Withdraw Crypto or Send Assets. Next, select Solana from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Double-check that you're on the correct network. Solana uses its own blockchain, so ensure it's set to Sol network to avoid any errors. Now, enter your Uphold wallet address. This is crucial. One wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place, so copy and paste it carefully. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits Exmo might have. After that, review the transaction details, including any fees involved. Withdrawal fees can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once you're satisfied, hit the Confirm or Withdraw button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Go ahead and do that. Now, head over to your Uphold account. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the Solana to appear, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you're all set. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify addresses and use secure connections. That's it for this tutorial. Withdrawing Solana from Exmo to Uphold is simple when you follow these steps. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.